All right, guys, welcome. Today is Friday. It is Friday, May 17th, 2024. And today we're going to go over gold. And it's shooting up, guys. Like it's going on a bully run, a bullish run right now. It came back to retest 2375 area. And we called this out yesterday. Who took this buy yesterday with me? Who took this buy at 2375? Drop a 111. Drop some money bags in the chat. You guys took this buy at 2375 and we called it out. I know my sis Dana took it. Yo, you've been killing in the charts, sis. I know I see you. Um we called this buy, guys, at yesterday morning, 2275. And now we up. So we entered in this right here. It came back to retest the support here. Okay, is a key level. You see the reason why it touched here, because when we look left, well, there's price action here. Okay, we gotta look left to be right. So there was once a resistance. Okay, it broke above and it came back down to support, and you could have caught the buy here. Plus, on top of that, it created a W formation as well. You see, we take the counter trend line. I drew my counter trend line from wick to wick. Make sure everybody's muted here. There you go. But we took the counter trend from wick to wick. It formed a W formation. Boom. Right. And boom, it broke above my counter trend line. And that confirmed it. All right. So when it broke above, hit TP1, 2380. Okay, I took some partials, but it didn't stop me out. It stopped me out at 2379. But then it came back down last night. It came down back down to the zone to retest. And then it shot up. Okay, hit TP1, hit TP2, 2380, 2385. Broke above, and I called this out last night. Wait for the break of structure above 2385. You see? It broke above this resistance. Okay, it broke above, came back down, boom, to retest. Resistance. Wait for the break of structure. And I called this out last night. Wait for the break of structure above 2085, 2385 before you take the next buy. And it did exactly just that. You see? It resisted, and never broke above. It broke above here at this candle, right? It broke above, but I never got my confirmation candle because the next candle was a bearish candle. So you see, it was a bearish candle. It's so important to study these candlestick patterns, guys. Es muy importante de estudiar las velas, los candlesticks, porque te dicen mucho información, ¿ok? Cuando quebró arriba, pero nunca cerró arriba, sí cerró, pero el otra vela era un rojo vela. So bajó, so no compré aquí, porque estoy esperando una vela verde, ok, para comprar antes que compro. So resistió, resistencia, después quebró arriba, después ahí me dio un candle verde aquí, ahí podías comprar. So necesitas a confirmar con las velas si te da rojo o verde, si estás vendiendo o comprando. Now guys, wait for the break of structure. All right, break above, retest, boom, 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 right? You could have entered here at this bullish candle right here. And this confirmed it, right? This candle confirmed it for a buy. You guys see that? Now, right now, it broke above 23.95. Okay. Currently, and 170 pips in profit. What was that? Who took this buy? Let me know. But it broke above now, 23.95. Now I'm waiting for it to retest this for another buy opportunity. It's all market structure, guys. It's all market structure. And especially with gold, it respects these key levels, these psychological numbers, which are whole numbers that price respects. Okay. Now just wait for the retest. Okay. And wait for the confirmation candle. If I get a blue candle here, then take it. Take that buy. Okay. You're going to see a red candle pushing down. Let me color this red. Okay. You're going to see a bearish candle. And then I'm looking for my bullish confirmation candle before I take another buy. Okay. You always want to confirm. Okay. So I'm waiting for this to happen. Be patient. All right. Patience is key. You don't want to enter right away randomly while you have in the middle of a 15-minute candle, right? We still have 7 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I'll take my trades off the 15-minute or 5-minute. Okay. So way before you take any trades. Plus, we have New York open. We have New York open in 8 minutes. So there's going to be some movement. Okay. And on top of that, we have news at 7:15, which is we have a speech going on. We have FOMC member Waller speaking. Let me see. Due to speak about payments, innovation, technical standards, and the Federal Reserve roles at the International Organization for Standardization, Technical Committee, 68 Financial Services, 44th Pioneer meeting in Minneapolis. So this is just a speech, why traders care. Okay, you can see here, Federal Reserve FOMC members vote on where to set the nation's key interest rates, and their public engagements are often used to drop subtle clues regarding future monetary policy. Okay. So we have a speech this morning at 7:15 Arizona time, which is 9:15 Central Time, 10:15 Eastern Time. So be careful. Okay, but that's the only news that we have this morning. Nothing major. Okay, just a speech. And we have Federal Jerome Powell speaking on Sunday afternoon. Okay, we have that on Sunday. So he's going to be speaking about, see, it's a a commencement ceremony. He's the head of the central of the Federal Reserve, right? He's the Federal Reserve member, right? He's a chairman of the Federal Reserve, and you know that guy is one of the most powerful guys in the world. You know, anything that he says affects price. So it's crazy. Now, as you can see here, price is, you know, pulling back down. I'm waiting for that retest, okay, before I take another buy entry. All right. And just follow market structure, guys. Just follow market structure. And why here? Because look, you look left, there's resistance here. Okay. We have resistance here. And this was also money. Okay, this was also liquidity here. These are all the sellers that came in, dropped. We have stop losses up here, and then price came back up to liquidate, okay, and took out all these stop losses from all these sellers, and boom. So, like I explained yesterday, right? Liquidity is where money is at. Where's the money? There's money here. Boom. Okay. There was money here. Let me show you guys here real quick, give you a different perspective. So there was money here. Okay. Price came back down. Boom. Liquidated these buyers here. And then came back down to retest. Boom, shot up. Breaking retest. Boom. Breaking retest. Boom. Boom. Liquidated these sellers here. Boom. Now I'm looking for another retest before I take another buy. You guys see the pattern? You guys see that? Now it respects these key levels. Now when it hits 23.95 area, okay, I'm going to trade from zone to zone. So in 23.95, 2400, that could be my internal zone. Okay. So 23.95 and broke above it. Four zero one 9. Boom. But I want price to come back to 23.95 because we have some price action going on here. Okay. Or it may respect, you know, 2400 before the buy up, but we'll see if it closes below or above structure. That's all you're gonna see. You know, study the candlestick. Okay. You gotta wait to see whether, and we also have New York Open in less than 2 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna see whether price is gonna close below or above 2400. Okay. Right now, currently price is at 2400 level. Now I'm gonna wait to see if the candle is gonna close above structure. If it closes above and I get a bullish candle, okay, then it's good to take that buy upside. But if it gives me a bearish candle, okay, and it closes below structure, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this opportunity for a buy. Okay, and I'm looking for buys because overall is an uptrend. Okay, I want to go with the trend. I want to go with the trend, guys. Go with the trend. Right now we're on a bullish run. Okay, looking at the 4-hour, we gotta look at the bigger picture. Look at this 4-hour candle. Boom, it's bullish. We have 30 minutes left on this candle. And if when this 4-hour candle is done, if it gives me another bullish 4-hour candle, then that's a plus because it's going to continue to the upside, right? So I like to use the 4-hour time frame as additional confluence for my trade entries. Okay, so New York just opened. See, overall, we're going to the upside. Okay, we have lower lows and we have higher highs. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay. Now going to the 1 hour. That's where I mark up my zones. The 1 hour. Okay. And then 15-minute. That's where I mark up my internal zones. But you guys can see here, it's giving me a bearish 15-minute candle. Here, I'm going to wait to see what happens. Oh, it's giving me a bullish candle. So this confirms it. Okay. Also looking at impulse. Let's check out impulse. Okay. To double confirm where price is heading. All right. Impulse is a scanner that we have here within the platform. Okay, it's artificial intelligence that scans the whole $6.6 trillion market and gives you a confirmation on where the trend is heading, the momentum of price. Okay, so let me see here. Now it's giving me buy signals, guys. It's giving me everything is on buy. Okay, so we're good to take this trade. I'm very bullish on gold right now. Everything's looking blue, everything's looking nice. Okay, so take that buy, guys. Use proper risk management. Okay, you're good to take this buy here. All right, go ahead and take that buy. Use proper risk. Okay. And TP1 can be 2405. All right. It may come back down to retest for another entry. Your stop loss can be at 2395. 2395. TP2 can be 2410. TP3 can be 2415. It's for a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. $24.15, $24.95. Boom. Oh, snap. That's wrong. Let's see here. Just give me a moment here, guys. 2400 actually. 400, 24.15, 24.95. There you go. All right. There you go, guys. Boom. Boom. You guys can also wait for the next 5-minute candle. Okay, that opens up bullish. It's good to take. It's closing above structure. Impulse right now is just pulling back. It's retesting that zone. Okay. Boom. I want to see it to retest here and continue to the upside. Let's see here. Wait for another bullish candle, guys. So enter right now. You guys can, this is a second opportunity. Okay. Just wait for a bullish candle. Let's wait for the 45-minute mark. Okay. I want to see how price is going to react here. Just be patient. I want to see another bullish candle forming before I take another buy. Okay. Let's see how price reacts here. Okay, looking at the 15-minute. It's gonna be a 15-minute bearish candle. So I'm gonna wait for the 15 minutes to close before I take any trade, before I take any buys. Okay. Right now, price is pulling back. Ahorita el precio está bajando porque está pulling back. So ahorita estoy esperando cuando termina el 15 minutos. Ok, si el 15 minutos quebra arriba aquí y sale verde, ok, voy a entrar para otra compra. Pero ahorita estoy esperando porque ahorita el precio está bajando debajo de esta zona y va a tocar aquí también, a lo mejor. So, guys, just wait. Wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I'm gonna wait for the 45-minute mark. Every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and every hour price tends to move and react. So I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute for a new 15-minute candle to form. Because right now it's just pulling back. Right. And that's normal. It's okay. You're gonna expect a pullback. That's just normal. The market has to balance out. Like you're gonna expect a pullback. Don't be afraid of pullbacks. Don't be afraid of drawdown. Yes, as a trader, we don't want to see drawdowns, right? We don't see any negative numbers in our account, but you gotta be able to adjust, and it takes practice. It takes repetition, takes practice for you not to be in drawdown and have a very, very accurate trade, So it takes a lot of practice. And that's one of my goals, to not be in drawdown and just catch that entry, right? That perfect entry. So just know that that's gonna take time. There's no perfect entry. As long as you're precise and you follow your trading plan, you're already winning. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not entering a trade right now because it's pulling back. Let's see. I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle to close, and I'm following my confirmations as well. Okay, where's my checklist? Okay, I have my checklist right here. Market direction using the 4-hour. Boom, it's overall on the uptrend. Okay. The 1-hour time frame, we have support resistance zones. Okay. I have my support and resistance zones. Liquidity. Okay, we have money here, liquidated to the upside. It's down here. Boom, liquidity. There's liquidity here. Price shot up, liquidated. Okay. Then confirmation candles. I'm waiting for the next 15-minute confirmation candle to turn bullish. Time. I'm waiting for the 45-minute mark, and then I confirm with impulse. Okay. And it's giving me buy signals. Now, let's see here. We have 4 minutes left on this candle. See prices pulling back to this area here, 23.95, because we have some price action going on here. Look left. Okay, we have the resistance here. It's going to create a support, right? It's going to create any support, and I called it out. Right, it's probably going to create a support here. Boom. That's what I see happening. So let's see. 2410, 2405. Let's see, can be TP2 there. 405 can be my TP2. Okay, TP1 can be 2400, TP2 2405, TP3 2410. That's a total of 150 pips. 1, 2, 3 risk reward. Okay, I'm waiting for my next 15-minute candle to form. If it opens up bullish, guys, that's a good sign. I'm gonna take that. You see, create that wick. Let's wait. Have 2 minutes left. I'm looking at the dollar. It's giving me a bullish candle. Yeah, the dollar's pushing up too. Very nice. Boom, guys, it gave me that wick. It's pushing price up. We still have we have a minute left on this 15-minute candle. Be patient, guys. Be patient. I want to see a bullish candle forming. Boom. See a 5 minute. There you go, guys. It's touching that 2400 area. It's looking like it's breaking below here and retesting. I want to see this happening. Boom. Going back to retest. Boom. I'm waiting for the price to hit this area here. I'm not entering yet. Okay, guys, I'm not entering yet. Because this is a break and retest. Okay, in my internal zone. This is my internal zone. My 2400, that's my internal zone. Okay, it broke below, came back to retest. Okay, now I'm waiting for this right here. I'm waiting for price to touch 23.95 zone. Okay, before I take my next entry, my next buy. You see how this price is pulling back down because this is a break and retest in my internal zone. Okay, there's a break, retest. This is more like a scalp move. Okay, you want to scalp the sell here from 2400 23.95. That's a total of 50 pips. But I'm not looking for that. And I don't want to go against the trend either. So I'm looking for this to happen. I'm looking for this type of move. Boom. Okay. All right. So it may happen at the hour. Okay. Looking at the 15 minute is giving me a bearish candle. So I'm not getting in. This is where patience comes in, guys. You gotta be patient. Get an impulse. I'm going to refresh it here. Still giving me buy confirmations. Everything is blue here. Okay, which is a good sign. Okay. It's giving me a blue arrow here. And this pivot line here. Okay. This micro pivot. Okay, I'm waiting for this to happen. I'm waiting for the break above. Boom, boom. But 23.95 here. We have 23.95 here. Okay, price may go like this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, guys, so I'm waiting for price to hit 23.95 area, anywhere between this area here, and it opens up bullish at the 15-minute, then I'm taking that. Okay, right now I'm not taking a trade. I'm not trading in between these zones. I'm not trading at a random number, okay? I'm not trading in between these zones because these are key levels, all right? I'm looking for price to respect these key levels here. I'm not trading within these in between these zones. All right. This price could potentially push down, and then when price is within this area here, and it gives me a buy confirmation, then it's good to take. So right now, you gotta be patient. And also look at the time, guys. We have 9 minutes left for the new hour, so price can react. Okay. You see how price is pushing down? Now it's pushing down to that zone. But I'm not taking a trade yet. I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. We have 8 minutes left. Are you guys seeing this? Drop a 1 more in chat box. You guys gotta give some value. Just to make sure that we're on the same page. Because this is what I see. This is me like literally showing you guys how I see the markets. Like this is what I do. This is what I see. Okay. Most people would have rushed in for that trade, like, oh, it's a bullish candle. Oh, let me take that buy. Boom, 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 boom. Right. I know, like, be patient. Most people would have cashed a sell here for a scalp move, but they're going against a trend. You don't want to go against a trend. Okay. Go with the trend. Overall, it's on a buy mode. Overall, it's buy. Right now, it's just pulling back. Price is just pulling back, which is normal. You see, we have higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and this is potentially a higher low. There's just a higher low. It's creating a new higher low. Okay. Go with the trend. You see, overall, price is trending up. Okay. So this is just a pullback. This could potentially be a higher low. So just wait. We have 7 minutes left. The 15-minute candle. I like to also use the 15-minute candle for confirmation because, like, if you take the trade at the 5 minute, okay, the 5 minute is giving you a bullish candle, right? But the 15-minute candle is still bearish. That doesn't align with each other. Does that make sense? So I'm waiting for a 15-minute candle to turn bullish before I take any trades. But yeah, guys, everything has to align each other. If the 5-minute candle is giving me a bullish candle and the 15-minute candle is giving me a bullish candle, then that's a good sign. And then at the 1 hour, looking at the bigger picture, the 1 hour is still bullish. Okay. It's above the structure. It is pulling back. We got 5 minutes left. Price is just retesting this area again. It touched a look. It touched right here at 23.95, 23.96. This wick is, yeah, it touched right at the edge of my zone there. Yeah, that could have been a sniper move right there. Yeah, it touched right here. You see that, guys? It touched right at the edge of my zone. There. Boom. That's a sniper entry right there. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the hour, guys. I'm not taking that random. I'm not going in randomly like that. I'm following my confirmation checklist. We have 3 minutes left for the next hour. Price can do anything, you know. I can literally do anything. I can go like this, boom. When the hour hits, boom. Or I can go like this. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting to see what is gonna happen when a new hour hits. Just by looking at the time can be your confirmation as well. Can be a part of your confirmation. Looking at impulse, it broke above this micro pivot line, so which is a good sign. For those that caught that sniper entry, let me know. Okay, now that I see price breaking above structure. All right, I'm gonna wait. We have less than a minute left. Sheesh. It shot up. Let's go, Tony. Okay, I see you. Bro, Tony is a sniper. Be careful, guys. There's an impulsive move. Now that it broke above, got the new hour, and then come back down. Let's go. That was a quick scalp move right there. Total 50 pips. We have the new hour. We have a bearish candle. It looks like it wants to form bearish. I will just wait. Boom, guys. We're gonna take the sell, the buy, I'm sorry. For those that want to take that buy, go ahead and take it. It's looking very bullish to me, guys. So go ahead and take it, guys. Practice proper risk. Make sure you have a stop loss. 23.95 can be your stop loss. TP1 24.05, TP2 24.10, and TP3 24.15. Fifteen-minute candle is giving me a bullish candle, which is a good sign. We'll cut the buy. Let me know in the chat if you guys click that buy. Make sure you guys have a stop loss. For 20. Let's see what impulse is giving me. Let me refresh it here. It's right now it's touching 2400. So that's another potential that you can take that reentry. Or if you guys want to wait at the 15-minute mark, you guys can wait when it hits 15 minutes. But it's back at 2400 zone. Okay, that's another second entry there. Price is pulling back. You're still giving me blue microtrend arrows. You still gave me a blue arrow here, which is a which is a good sign because it's still pushing price up. These blue arrows just indicate the momentum of price with price setting. So overall, you see more blue arrows and red arrows. So it's just the momentum of price. It's pushing up. Okay. So see how I wick 2400? That could have been your second entry right there for a buy. We have less than a minute on this 5-minute candle. If you guys want to be more on the safe side, you guys can wait when the 5-minute candle closes and it opens bullish. Or you guys want to wait because like 15-minute candle is giving me a bullish candle right at the 15-minute time frame. That wick explains a lot too because it's pushing like right now it's deciding where it wants to break, where it wants to close. Right now it's deciding where it wants to close, but it seems like it's going to close above structure. So if it closes above structure, then I'm still in buy mode. Okay, I'm still in buy mode. Okay, if it's above here, buy mode. If it's down here, sell mode. Okay. So I'm still in buy mode. Price is still above my structure, so I'm currently in buy mode. And down here is sell mode. Okay, when price breaks below the structure. Okay, it's trending down. But I'm still in a bullish zone. It gave me that wick. Okay. On the 5-minute. So you give me this wick here. It's pushing price up. So that's a good sign. And then you have a wick here, wick here. Buyers come into the market. pushing price up, came back down to retest, boom. So it's very important to study these candlesticks. We have 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Okay. It's still above my structure. And look at the daily. Daily candle still bullish. I feel like it's gonna reach these levels here. Right. It's gonna reach these levels. Let's see, 4 hour. It's giving me a bearish, but right now it's retesting that zone. 1 hour. According to Impulse, it's still giving me buy confirmations. Let me just go ahead and refresh it. Yeah, so it's still giving me buy confirmations here. Okay. So we still bullish on this. We have 10 seconds before the new 15-minute candle, and it's still above my structure. So it closed above my structure. It's giving me a bullish candle. Who took the buy? Let me know in the chats if you guys took the buy. Let's go. Let me know in the chat if you guys took that buy. But yeah, guys, you guys had the second entry right there. Now just be patient, trust your trade, and have your stop loss set up. Just be patient, have your stop loss set up, and just trust your trade. Just trust it. It retested my zone here, gave me this wick. Okay. That's the second entry right there. If you missed this one down here, no worries. You know, I came to retest here and I see it push up. Okay. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna end it here. Okay. Have a blessed weekend. Study, study, study. Back test this weekend. Reflect, journal, and write down what improvements you could have done better. What are some improvements? What did you do well? What didn't you do well? And what improvements you're going to make moving forward. Okay. Have a blessed weekend. Thank you guys so much for being on. I'll see you guys on Tuesday, same time. Let's run it up, guys. Have a blessed weekend.